The Samyukta Agama says, "Old age and death will destroy our body and sensations. Only the merits of generosity are the accumulations that follow us." Therefore, the Buddha often says that it is our merit that can assist us at the moment of our death. Shantideva also states, "For then, life's virtue is my one defense." And this, alas, is what I shrugged away. However, many worldly individuals are unaware of this. In particular, many urban dwellers are preoccupied with life's daily tasks and procrastinate on the most meaningful Dharma practice. To these individuals, the most meaningful practice appears trivial. While trivial pursuits are viewed as ultimately important, they never reflect on death or impermanence. Instead, they spend their lives clinging to loved ones and opposing others, drifting through existence in a haze of indulgence and distraction. Day after day, they busy themselves with houses, wealth, and possessions, constantly toiling for the sake of relatives and friends. Driven by greed, anger, and ignorance, they let their years slip away, wasting precious time. How truly regrettable it is.